Dear students, today we are going to see the second chapter of geography. The title is Physical Features of India. So, the very first thing we are going to see in this is theory of plate tectonics. So, what is this theory? So, this theory tries to explain the formation of physical features of the earth. According to this theory, the crust means the upper part of the earth has been formed out of 7 major plates. So that 7 major plates we are going to see the names already, it is shown in the diagram. First one, it is Eurasian plates. Second one, North American plate, South American plate, African plate, Indo-Australian plate, Pacific plate and Antarctic plate. So these are the 7th important plates. As per this theory, it was there, and due to the movement of these 7 plates, various landforms are get created on the earth. So what are that landforms? You may see the plain, plateau, mountains, rivers and even the oceans also. Due to the movement of these plates, the various landforms has been created, which is also known as the physical features of the land. It was created due to this plate movement. So why these plate movements are moving from one place to another place, or they are colliding, or they are separating from each other? As you know that the earth crust, it moves due to only the movement of lava into the earth center. As you know that earth center is too much hot, and the lava which tries to come out from the earth crust, due to this the plates are continuously moving from one place to the another place. So as per this theory, the various plates moves from one place to the another place, or they separate from one another. That we are going to see in detail. So these plate movements have been classified into 3 types. First one, it is the convergent boundary. Second one, it is divergent boundary, and third one, it is transform boundary. So let's see in detail what it actually means. First one, convergent boundary. Some plates come towards each other and form a convergent boundary. Means, as we had seen, how many plates were there? 7 plates. So that some of the plates that they come towards each other and form a convergent boundary. 2 plates, they come very closer to each other and form the convergent boundary. So let's see the second one, it is the divergent boundary. So what is divergent boundary? So second one, it is divergent boundary. Some plates move from each other and form a divergent boundary. Means here the plates are going to separate, they are going to depart, they are going to separate from each other. They are not going to come closer because they are going to move apart from each other. So the divergent boundary formed due to the plates which moves away from the another plate. And third type, it is the transform boundary. So what is transform boundary? When 2 plates come towards each other, they may collide and crumble, or one may slide under the other. At times they may also move horizontally past each other and form the transform boundary. In a simple word, we can say that in this type of movements, the plates are going to submerge. They are sliding under the other. So this is the third type of a movement. It is known as transform boundary.